enumerate those 7 qualities. First one is creativity. Don't follow the beaten track, find something new. It is natural for human beings to become on auto mode. Same meetings, same systems, same protocols, bring varieties. Secondly, kindness. If you want to become a leader in liaison, this quality is a must. You might remember one of our international past president slogan itself was kindness matters. Yes, kindness matters. And kindness is infectious. If I am kind to you, you are forced to kind with me. And the person sitting next to you will also be kind. Next one is unconditional love towards everything and everybody. Our motto is, we serve. Can you serve a person unless you have feeling of love with him? You cannot. And I give a simple formula how to love everybody. Very simple. Before you love others, love yourself.
Well said, well said.
Next one is ability to see beauty in everything. Situation may be difficult. There is poverty all around. There is hunger. People are suffering. But you must see beauty in everything. You must see the positive side. You must take action, as rightly said by our governor. Next is expansion. Growth oriented. A leader is always growth oriented. You set a goal which is higher than your earlier goal. You achieve that. Then you set another goal which is higher than the earlier goal and you move on. Next in my list is abundance. Abundance in each and every area of your life. There are 9 areas. I will not go in those 9 areas. But suppose you are very successful as a line leader, as a president, or as a zone chairperson, or as a district governor, but you spoil your health. Does that success have some meaning? It's useless. So there must be balance in every area of your life. Maybe business, maybe relationship, maybe your career, spirituality. There must be a balance. And last one is my favorite, receptivity. Always remember that this universe wants to give you so many things. There is no scarcity in the universe, provided you are in a receptive mode. So always be in receptive mode to accept what this unlimited, infinite universe offers you. These are the 7 points, my dear friends. You have not noted down, please note down. I will repeat it quickly. Creativity, kindness, love, beauty, expansion, abundance, and receptivity. This is all from my side. My 2 minutes are over. Thank you so much. God bless.